I just woke up not too long ago and I decided, who really needs a computer to record music in 2024? Not me. What about you? In this video, I'm going to be showing you what you can be expecting in the future to look like when it comes to recording music. Yes, I know you can get a computer, a MacBook, whatever, FL Studio, that's cool. I'm going to be showing you my iPhone Pro 15 studio setup. I got the iPhone 15 Pro right here. The next thing we're gonna need with the phone, we're gonna need an interface. And I chose this interface because it's USB-C and it plugs directly into the phone. We don't need a hub, we don't need no adapters. We just plug this into an outlet and we good to go. Next up is gonna be the microphone. I was gonna use the Line Audio Eden, but I didn't feel like hooking her up today. So Eden, I'm gonna let you rest. But the microphone that I'm gonna be using today is the Line Audio Atlantis. And I can't forget the headphone because no studio is complete without the headphones because we gotta be able to hear when we record. And then to put the icing on the cake, you see the stand I got for the phone though? Like it hold the phone, like I can like extend it out to where it need to be. But the only thing that I'm missing for the studio setup is some monitors. But looking for you, I got some monitors I'm finna show you right now. But like I said, I told you the studio setup wouldn't be complete without some Yamaha HS3s. And the speakers came from Sweetwater. As you can see right here, $229 for the pair. One thing that I absolutely love about Sweetwater is that the customer service is on point. The deliveries are always on time. Usually get here faster than what's expected. So if you want to get these Yamaha HS3s or any other products used in this video, I will have affiliate links in the description. And I would like to thank Sweetwater for sponsoring this video. So let's continue the setup. Just get them out the box, hook them up, finish the studio setup, and just see what they sound like. Look at these speakers, man. We got a headphone port on there right there. Turn it on right here. It ain't plugged out right now. Like these babies is beautiful. Let me see everything on the back. We got the room control. We can do high trim. And then lets you see right here what you do with the room control, what it does, the high trim, what it does. And then we got the stereo right there for left, right, or we can do the lines. And then we route this to the right speaker. So this is gonna be a left speaker, see? Has it up there, so left, right? And see, that's the difference between the two. Left one has everything you need. Then you just route the wires to the right one. Shouldn't be too hard, right? And then connect this to the interface. You gotta have these male XLR cables with the 1/4 inch on here so we can plug it into the interface. Clean little setup. Very minimalistic in nature. That's the setup, like it's simple, like simple. Everything get a pro microphone, pro interface, good monitors, good monitors. They sound good.
Let it go, let it go. iPhone studio. Let it go. Whoa, whoa. I know your man been creeping. I know you in your feelings. I know you thinking about cheating. So just record yourself just so we can just see. It ain't nothing like too crazy, but you know, I ain't want to do nothing like super crazy. Let it go. iPhone studio. Let it go. Whoa. I know your man been creepy. I know you in your feelings. I know you thinking about cheating. I know you thinking about cheating. I know.
Yo. That's just vibing. At this point, just vibing out. You know what I'm saying? Just vibing out. Now we finna hear what it sound like on the speakers with no mixing, just a little quick recording. So let's see what it sound like.
I know your man being creepy. I know you in your feelings. I know you thinking about cheating. I know you thinking about cheating. I know.
But no cap though, the speakers do sound good, they look good, and that is the iPhone studio setup. And if you want the speakers, the HS3s, it will be a link in the description for you to get the speakers, right? Because me personally, these are the perfect size to go into my mobile studio bag, so now I can take this whole setup wherever I go. And I got my speakers with me if I want to record in public, in the car, right? In the bathroom, in a restaurant, whatever. If they let me take the speakers in the restaurant, you know what I'm saying? Like, I could do that. Like, these are the perfect setup. It's just simple. So let me just show you one more time. What we did was take the iPhone, connect the interface to it, connect the speakers to the interface. We got headphones, and then we got the studio mic connected to the interface. One thing that I really love about these speakers is that the mids come through perfectly, because I can really get a good gauge of the vocals and how they coming through. But if you want the speakers for yourself, there's a link in the description, because I like them personally. I want to get some HS8s now, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've been trying to get some Yamahas for a minute, but I really wasn't sure about like which ones I wanted. But yeah, after the HS3s, I got to get the 8s. I got to get the 8s, man. I got to. Man.